Good afternoon. Welcome to the world famous Guarantee RV Supercenters, Junction City, Oregon. Gary Christian's coming to you still since July of 1981. Great time at the dealership. We celebrate having fun and making memories. North Trail Caliber Edition. This is a nice 22 RBK. RB is rear bath and K is for the outdoor kitchen. It's a nice small unit, but boy, I tell you what, it is got a kickin' bathroom. Nice corner bath, plenty of room to get in and out, skylight. So we'll just fasten this so if the forklift driver removes this bad boy, that doesn't slide around. Take a look at this nice cabinet. And of course there's shelves in here that you can take out and use your hanging space. Got a little drawer, full extension. You have your control panel in here, so if you come into the bathroom you don't have to worry about turning the water pump on. And then above the outdoor kitchen you've got a nice big storage area and a rod up here for hanging like shirts. Domestic refrigerator, double door, 6 cubic foot. Glass top over your 3 burners. So now you have more workspace when you're not cooking on top. So it opens up your counter. Oven down below. Then over here you have a storage area that you can put a garbage can right in down here close by. Let me show you this. Nice deep stainless steel sink. And then you've got your storage up on top, regular microwave. You've got drawers on this end, full extension. And entertainment center, DVD player. Nice little storage up on top, all the way across the U-shaped dinette that has storage from the inside, and you can drop it down. The bed, nice big bed, full size. Countertops on both with cubbies down below, 110 outlets. Your lights are right here. You can just reach up and tap them to turn them on. Overhead storage on both sides. And then it's got the lift up, of course, like they all do. Your storage down below. That's your vacuum hose that goes to the vacuum cleaner attachment. We've got a pass-through all the way across the front. Let's pop outside and take a look. Nice step, very secure. And when this travels, this folds up right in the entryway, so it's not hanging out. Little magnet to hold this open. This is the big side, that one over there is small, but it still does have access. Your electric stabilizer controls are right here to run your jacks down. Electric awning, outdoor speakers, hot water heater, gas electric. Nice kitchen. Unfortunately, I don't have a key to show it to you. It does have a rack on the back that folds down if you want to bring something maybe that you can't fit in your tow vehicle. You can drop this down, lock the pin in place, have a good storage, and you can secure everything to the metal frame. It's got a backup camera up here. We can hook it up to your tow vehicle. Outdoor shower, dump tanks, electrical hookup, cable hookup, slam latch. Spot for 2 batteries, which we supply with any unit with a slide out. Freon hookup. If you want to put a solar panel out here, you can just plug it in there and charge your batteries. What other questions do you have? Well, of course, you need to call me. My number is 541-554-9581, or my email's on the screen. Thanks for your time.